Hey, how are you guys doing? Today is actually my birthday. Well, by the time that you're watching this, it's my birthday or my birthday has already passed. I am planning to upload this on my actual birthday, but we'll see about that. Anyway, my birthday is on the 4th of August. I was born in 1987, so I am turning 33, or I'm already 33 when you watch this. So today I wanted to do like a birthday look. I haven't really done a birthday look on my channel before, so I thought that would be fun. And I'm also challenging myself because I'm gonna use all shimmer eyeshadows. Yeah, all shimmer, no mattes at all shimmer or anything with glitter. That's what I'm gonna use on my eyes today. So hopefully that all works out and I learned something new and you guys have fun watching the video. If you haven't subscribed and you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Faye. Please subscribe. That would be really awesome. And make sure you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. That would really help me out. Get my video out there and be seen, be viewed by more people. So I would really appreciate that. So let's get on with the look. So I've already primed my eyes with some concealer and I set that with some powder as well. Of course, I am gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because there's a lot of shimmery shades here and I love this palette. I decided I'm gonna use the shade called Boujee, which is this shade right here. I've already started putting that on my crease and just to have a feel of the shadow. I've never intentionally put a shimmer shade or a glittery shade on my crease, so this is definitely something new for me. And I know that I'm gonna have a lot of like fallout because again, this is a shimmery shade. So I did not do my base makeup yet. Okay, so just building this up on the crease and doing windshield wiper motions. I changed my mind about that brush. I'm using this flat fat brush instead, and I'm picking some of that shade and just applying that. Not really blending, just literally depositing that color or that shade on. Okay, so we have something like this. I have like so many glitter particles on my face right now, so maybe this wasn't such a good idea because that's gonna show through my foundation, but we're here and this is a challenge. So moving on, I am going to take this shade called GRWM, Get Ready With Me. On the same brush, I'm just flipping it on the other side and I'm going to put that on the outer corners. Because this is like a darker bronzy shade, so I think that will, yeah, I like that. It's just gonna add some depth on that outer corner. This would actually be way easier if I use like one of those cream stick eyeshadows, but I don't have that. If you do have that, give this a try and see how you go with just using like shimmery eyeshadows. I think that would be so much easier. Next, I'm taking this shade. It's called Empowered. So this is like a cranberry red shade with some pink reflect to it. At least that's how I'm seeing it. And I'm gonna put that in the center. Now, I really love these eyeshadows because I don't have to wet them. I mean, I can if I wanted it to be more intense, but I don't have to wet them. I mean, look at that. Look at that red shade. That is so pretty. Okay, I think I will actually wet this one, but later, once I place all the colors that I want to put. Yeah, I think I'm going to wet this one. And then I'm going to take the shade A Moment, and I'm going to put, just flip my brush. Oh, by the way, this is a different brush. So just flipping my brush, taking some of that. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of the eye. Tap off. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade, it's called Paolo, and on a different synthetic brush, and I'm going to place that in between these shades here. I just want to see what that's going to look like help blend out that bronzy shade with the red. Yeah, I think that's, can you see that? Yeah, I like that. Okay, I will go back with that shade called Empowered, that red or maroon tone shade, and intensify that more a bit. So going in with the cranberry shade, Empowered, and this is wet with a wet brush, and I just want to intensify that a bit. Okay, so this is what we have going on so far with eyes. I think I'm just gonna clean up and do my base off of camera, and then we'll come back and finish the eyes. I am not sure how I'm gonna, I'm probably not even gonna try to cover, because there's like I said in my previous video, I always get breakouts on my chin area, and I have 2 new breakouts coming in, so this one and this one. So yeah, that really sucks, because it would be great if I didn't have any new breakouts on my birthday, but I do. So yeah, I'll do my base off of camera, and then I'll come back and we'll finish the eyes and the lips. And I'm back. Okay, so now I need to figure out what I want to do for my lower lash line. It's a bit difficult for me to put shimmer eyeshadows down there because my eyes get really irritated, because I mean the glitter particles get in my eye. But for the sake of this video, I am gonna do that. So I decided to get the shade Get Ready With Me, and I am going to put that on my outer corner using a dense synthetic brush, which I think will help control the shimmer. I mean, it's still getting in my eye, but it's helping a little bit. Now I'm going to take that red shimmer shade, Empowered, yeah, that's the shade name, and put that in the center. So I'm tapping it in, not swiping. Yes, I have to make that funny face because I have to stretch my eyelids. I mean, not my eyelids, my under eyes. Okay, so I'm taking A Moment, that shade that we used there. So essentially copying what I did on my top lid to my lower lash line. Okay, so for my inner corner highlight, I have so much glitter in my eyes. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this shade here from the first Jaclyn Hill palette. All the shade names I used will be listed down below. So I'm taking that and just highlighting my inner corner. Alright, so I'm taking the first brush that we used. I just cleaned it off on a paper towel. And I'm just going to blend this brow bone a bit, because that's a pretty harsh line. And I just want it to be all blended in. Yeah, that's better. So I'm gonna finish off my eyes and like put eyeliner, mascara, things like that. And we'll be back to finish the look with the lips. For the lips, I decided to go with a red. Now, that's not usually what I would pair up with this eye. I would just probably like go with a nude shade, but since it is my birthday look, and I want to do something intense and something out there a bit, so I'm gonna go with the red. This is the shade, what shade name? Hot Chili. This is a Maybelline lipstick. I've used this quite often, as you can see. So I'm gonna go with a red lip. I can always take it off if I don't like how it turns out, but let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Wow. Okay, I'm keeping this. I like this. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love this lip. It's giving me happy birthday vibes indeed. I wouldn't necessarily pair this eye look with this lip color, but you guys know me. I love my colors. I love my bold eyes with a bold lip combination. So yeah, I'm totally for this look. My eyes are getting quite irritated because I've just fussed with them so much, so I better wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. Make sure again to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you to my family for just always being there and always supporting me. I love you guys so much. My sister Ray, May, and my mom, and my auntie Eileen, who is like a second mom to me. And thank you to my boyfriend, babe, Mahal. I love you. Thank you so much. And I'm just a really happy girl. Although a lot has been going on this year, I'm not gonna go through all of it because it's a lot. But we still have a lot of things to be thankful for, grateful for. And God has always continued to bless me, even though at times I do not deserve it. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day if you are watching this during the day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!